Hey, hi. This is Tom. I got your email about finding my cat. I am so relieved to finally get Captain Whiskers back. What? What do you mean? In the email, you said you found my whiskers. Is this some kind of sick joke? Do you think it's funny to play these sick jokes on people? I want my damn cat back. Do you or do you not have my cat? Will you just give me your address? I want to see for myself. Look, I just want my cat back. Enough with the games. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I found him. Captain Whiskers, you naughty boy, where have you been?